Get your own Observium server. All you need is 5 minutes and a SkySilk VPS. First thing we do is head over to SkySilk.com and log in. Once you've logged in, click the Create Container button up at the top corner of your dashboard. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to use the free plan. Then scroll down and select Apps and Tools. Now select Observium. Put your information in and hit Go. Next, log into your Observium server via an SSH terminal, like the one on your user dashboard. Log in as root with your user credentials, follow the on-screen guide to set your MySQL and administrator credentials for Observium, then let the packages finish installing. Access your Observium user interface by typing the displayed domain name into your navigation bar and press Enter. Log into Observium using the administrator credentials you set during deployment, and now you have access to your very own Observium server. Get started today at SkySilk.com.